Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of my crochet series. So today we're going to learn how to do the magic ring. So you want to take your yarn, place it over 2 fingers like this, and then you're going to wrap 1, cross, wrap 2, and then you're going to turn, flip your hand over. Then you want to take your needle, go over the first one, pick the second one, pull through, and then twist. So once you twist, you can take out your fingers, and then you have a magic ring. So when you pull, it gets smaller, and then you can start doing whatever you have to do. So let's do this for the last time slowly. So take your yarn, place it over 2 fingers like this, go over and across once, bring it to the second one, flip your fingers, turn your finger like over, pull your pin, place it under the first one, and then pull the second one. Okay, when you pull it, you want to twist it upwards so the tip of the needle can point in this direction. And then you're going to take out your fingers, and you have a magic ring. Okay, so you can start crocheting into the ring.